Today we are gonna be doing my go-to glowy summer look with a very dewy yet natural finish on the skin. Nothing so crazy because you guys know I love matte foundations. Matte skin is my favorite. I'm not into that super dewy look, but once in a while when it's hot, when it's starting to be more of a spring summer or summer fall look, I love that glowy skin, but not more of a satin finish, not so much matte. So we're gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me, and we're gonna be mixing a little bit of the matte and a little bit of the dewy together, just because if I use just the dewy one, I feel like my skin is more oily rather than dewy. I don't like that. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. These foundations are a little dark for my skin tone. Actually, let me check it out because last time I checked they were very dark, but I think I can make it. So we're gonna mix both of them together, and then we are gonna add them to our face. I'm not gonna take that much of it, so I'm only gonna do a little drop of each because this foundation goes a long way. Okay, so I put a little bit on a little plastic little thing, and now I'm just gonna put the combination of both of them. I put a little bit of each on the little thing, and now I'm gonna buff all of that in to my skin. Something extremely, like, I love full coverage, so I am gonna build this up because that's just my preference. But this foundation smells good. I've been using them now that it's a little bit warmer more, but I hadn't used them in a while. It's looking really nice. You see how it's looking a little bit dewy? Like, my face is looking glowy, but it's not looking greasy in any type of way. Because if I were to just use the glowy one, my face feels greasy rather than glowy. So I feel like mixing them both together is a really good alternative. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to my lower lash, my under eyes, just to cover my dark circles a little bit, and I'm gonna highlight a little bit with my Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm only gonna apply a little bit just because this concealer is full coverage, and I did build up the foundation, so I don't want anything too extreme either. So this foundation I don't really set. I usually set any foundation with a little bit of MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, But right now, since I want a dewy look because I don't want my foundation to get too matte, I'm only gonna set my under eyes with a little bit of Coty Airspun, just to set them and have them crease on me. I'm not gonna set my foundation because this foundation dries pretty nicely on the skin and it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it's very light weight on the skin, and I love this foundation just the way they are. Like, I don't need to set it or anything, and I do want a glowy look, so I don't want to put powder on it and defeat the purpose of the glowy look. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that our brows are done, well, my brows have seen better days. But now that our brows are done and we can continue with our eyes, I'm gonna do a very minimal look. I don't want it to take forever. I just want something very simple and just make it all about our skin. I will be contouring, putting highlight and all that stuff right after I do the eyes. So all I'm gonna do with my eyes is I'm gonna use an eyeliner, whatever eyeliner you wish. I use this e.l.f. eyeliner in the color Charcoal, and I am gonna add a very minimal small wing to my eyes. I'm gonna do a very minimal wing and I go all out on it. So now we're just gonna match what I did on this eye on the other eye. Okay, now that our wings are as close as they could look alike, I am gonna go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm gonna put in a little bit from this Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna use these two shades. I'm gonna mix them together, and I am gonna add that to just my crease to add a little bit of definition. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. Little concealer detail brush, and with this color, this Vermeer color or whatever, I'm just gonna add a little bit of pop of highlight on my inner corners. The same two colors that I added to my crease from this palette, the first two colors, I'm gonna add a little bit to my lower lash line. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we're back and we have a little bit of mascara on the eyes, we could go into the face. And I'm only gonna bronze my face a little bit. I'm not gonna contour or anything. I'm just gonna bronze with a little bit of my Too Faced Chocolate Solei bronzer in medium, deep medium or matte, and then I'm gonna use my Luxie 504 angled brush, and I'm only gonna bronze a little bit. Now that we bronzed up our face a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Luminoso blush. This one is a little bit glowy. It's not a matte blush. It's more of, it has a little bit of shimmer to it. Now for our highlight, I'm gonna be using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Lip liner, Wetnwild lip liner in Gone Burgundy. And I'm gonna use this Colourpop X Kathleen Lights Lux lipstick in the color What's Your Sign? So this is the completed look. I'm not gonna set my face. You guys could set your face if you like. I'm not gonna set my face because I only have matte setting sprays and I want to keep the glow looking the way it does. I don't want anywhere of anything to look matte. So I don't think we forgot anything, but yeah, this is it. This is a completed look. It's very easy, very quick. You could change the lip. You could totally do just a nude. You could do a darker lip. Everything. It will look very, very nice. I don't use falsies when I'm getting ready in a quick day, especially on a hot day, because the glue just gets a mess and I just, not for me in the summer days. So yeah, you guys, this is it. Let me know if you guys have any other requests for any other videos you guys want to see. I am gonna be posting 3 times a week now. I'm gonna be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so stay tuned for my next video. I do have a playlist of makeup tutorials and makeup looks. If you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna leave it in the little, I think it's over here, so that you guys could go ahead and check out those videos. Yeah, check out the details of all the products I used today and mentioned in my video. If I didn't mention it out loud, I always leave it in the box below. Yeah, so let me know of any videos you guys are interested on me doing for my channel, and have a wonderful day, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.